Man, you kind of like a steward of the game. So when you think when this is over, you think you're going to be a trainer or something? We can see you down the road. You being a trainer?
I don't know, but I tell you this, but this past weekend, this past weekend, I called that fight, man. I was calling it round by round. I knew what Martinez was trying to do. And I said that I was like, he's going to put him on the canvas with that left. And he ran that left. Put him on the canvas. I said, I told you. I said, that old man left is coming. He caught him with that mud too, man. Put him on the canvas. I said, man, he looking for that uppercut. If he can time that uppercut on this dude, he gonna catch him. Shoot, man, I'm telling you, I'm calling it round by round, man. I just read these fighters, man.
Yeah.
If you look at Martinez, man, he don't move. He don't move a lot to his right.
No, he don't.
He don't move too much. He moves to his left to set up his left hand. But you can catch him with a straight right, man. You can catch Martinez with straight right.
Yeah, Macklin, he had success when he did it.
Quick enough to do it.
Yeah, he had, the thing was, Macklin was actually doing it. When he did it one time, he shocked Martinez. He led off with straight rights, and I was like, wow, he shocked me when he threw those punches, because I didn't see him doing that, because he don't fight that kind of style, but he actually was confusing Sergio Martinez. He wasn't prepared for it. So he just started making him go backwards, and that gave Macklin problems. Then his stamina started giving in on him. So, yeah.